For beginners in Nigeria, the best affiliate marketing website for you is Selar, Stakecut, and Expertnaire. These three websites pays direct into your Nigerian account when someone uses your unique link to get a product that you will promote. Choosing the right platform is not just what you need. Choosing the right product is what you need, and that's what we'll be discussing in this video. First is digital product. This is best and highly selling right now in Nigeria. If you can help someone with a problem, provide a solution they need through your content, they will get the digital product from you and you will get paid. And this platform, Selar, Stakecut, and Expertnaire, provide 50 to 70% commission per sale. You know all this, but how are you going to get started? First, start by choosing a platform of your choice, a platform that you can navigate well. Start with a Facebook or maybe YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp. Start with the one that you are familiar with and you can scale to the next. Second is building an audience. Start by providing value to your audience. Help your audience solve a problem they are facing. By that way, they can trust you, trust your recommendation, and get those products from you. Learn basic digital marketing strategies. If you have a good product but you cannot market it, you are not going to sell. But learning how to drive traffic on your product, on your link, is the ultimate way that you can make money from affiliate marketing. One of the benefits of affiliate marketing is you don't need to create a product for you to get started. You promote someone else's product and earn commission. Interested in getting started but don't know how? I have a system that I'm using. This system is currently used by over 7,000 people. Check the link in the description to get started. Bye and see you on my next video.